How are you, my friends? This is another pre-calculus challenging question. We have to show that 1 plus cosine of x plus sine of x divided by 1 plus cosine of x minus sine of x equals to 1 plus sine of x divided by cosine of x. This is really challenging question. We have to show this expression is equal to that simple expression. Now, for other pre-calculus challenging questions, you can see the playlist down here, please. What can you think here? I think the conjugate idea is a nice idea to use. Let me show you how do we start. Let's start with the left side here and rearrange it a little so that I can take 1 plus cosine of x as one number here minus sine of x. See, this is the whole idea. In the denominator, I put bracket around 1 plus cosine of x, then I multiply by the conjugate. So this is like a minus b becomes a plus b, the conjugate. So I multiply up and down by the conjugate. Now in the numerator, we see 1 plus cosine of x, 1 plus cosine of x. This is like a plus sine of x all squared. Then I can use this rule here from algebra. A plus b squared is equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So a now 1 plus cosine of x. So it will be 1 plus cosine of x all squared plus 2a times b. 2 sine of x, which is the b or ab or ba the same, times 1 plus cosine of x, and sine squared of the x. Leave it there. Now in the denominator, see here 1 plus cosine of x minus sine of x, 1 plus cosine of x plus sine of x. We can use the difference between two squares. So that's a squared, which is 1 plus cosine of x squared minus sine squared. Now also in the denominator here, we see 1 plus cosine of x all squared. Again, 1 is a and b is cosine of x. I can use this rule again in the denominator to simplify it minus sine squared. But the whole idea is the conjugate, and the rest will be easy. Now on the next slide, we have to simplify more and more. So 1 plus cosine of x all squared, we can use this formula again. 1 plus 2 cosine of x plus cosine squared of x. Now, leave this one here, 2 sine of x times 1 plus cosine of x, we'll use it later, plus the sine squared. Now sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x, I will write it here because that's 1, that's 1. And there is another one here, so it will be 1 plus 1, 2. Now in the denominator also, we have to do some work. Sine squared of x, I can use also the same rule, 1 minus cosine squared. I put it in the bracket. So 1 minus the 1 will be cancelled. Cosine squared minus cosine squared will be 2 cosine squared of x. And we have already 2 cosine of x. Now, so this is 1 plus 1 is 2. So I can use now, in the numerator, we continue the factoring by grouping because this is 1, so that's 2, plus 2 cosine of x. Already we have 2 sine of x multiplied in the bracket, 1 plus cosine of x. So I can take 2 common factor here. So it will be 2 bracket 1 plus cosine of x. We see that the same bracket. So that's factoring by grouping. So I can take common factor 2, common factor also 1 plus cosine of x times 1 plus sine of x. Figure that out. Here we have a common factor 2 and the common factor cosine of the x. Now we can cancel the 2. We can cancel also 1 plus cosine of x. What's left is 1 plus sine of x divided by cosine of x. The required is this one. Now for more questions on how to verify trigonometric identities, you can visit the playlist, either extra pre-calculus solved questions, verify trigonometric identities, or pre-calculus course lecture number 20. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you guys for listening.